Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a digital oxygen concentrator. Begin by reading the manual and placing the unit on a stable surface near a power outlet. Attach tubing and cannula securely while confirming the prescribed flow rate on the display. Turn the concentrator on and allow it to warm, then check alarms and oxygen output indicators before use to ensure safe and effective therapy. Place the concentrator at least a few inches from walls and keep vents unobstructed for proper airflow. Connect the power cord and inspect tubing for kinks or damage before attaching the cannula. Set the flow rate to the clinician prescription and confirm oxygen delivery by observing the display and any purity gauge. Practice alarm response and have a backup plan for power interruptions. Maintain the concentrator by cleaning external surfaces and replacing disposables on the recommended schedule to reduce infection risk. Wash reusable filters per the manual and ensure the humidifier is emptied and dried daily when used. If you notice reduced flow, inspect tubing for obstructions, confirm power stability, and replace clogged filters. Contact your supplier for persistent issues and never attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.